This is the Real Madrid lineup. Thibaut Courtois starts in goal. Sergio Ramos plays with Rafael Varane in central defence. Toni Kroos starts with Luka Modric in the centre of the park. Karim Benzema is the lone striker today. This is the Liverpool side. One thing to look out for from this team today is the way they try and win the ball back within seconds of losing it.
Yeah, and they don't do it individually. They get backed up by a teammate. They hunt in packs, and you've got to do that. You've got to do it with discipline.
Roberto Firmino. Cross for Mane. A goal for Liverpool.
This is certainly a poacher's effort, the way he's just latched onto it quickly, the way he's got there ahead of the defenders.
The goal, wherever you look at it, it was very well taken. Taking on a couple of opponents now. Dangerous ball, dealt with by the goalkeeper into attack. And he's got some help. Well, then it goes. He's gone for the header, but not got the goal.
Well, he's timed it well enough, just couldn't get that direction.
And that was the chance to hit the target. That's what will disappoint him. He didn't even work the goalkeeper.
No, he didn't, and his technique has let him down
Fabinho.
badly there.
Firmino! Can't hang onto it, the keeper.
Mane.
To Robertson. Wijnaldum. Now Sadio Mane. Jorginho, Wijnaldum. Well, they could have been opened up there. Firmino! And he's caught that right, but just off target.
Not too much wrong with the technique there. Look at the manager. He knows that miss might just come back to haunt his team.
In from Kroos. The header is off the target.
Yeah, just didn't connect properly. I don't know if it came off his shoulder. He knows it, the manager.
Thinking from Liverpool, always on the front foot. Does he want to cross it now? He could. That certainly helps the goalkeeper and those in the middle to stop the cross. Out in front of goal. Well, the cross could come in here. It's a deep cross towards the back post. The ball's loose. Goalkeeper made the save, but he couldn't hold it. It's always been a passing game, but they pass with purpose too.
They have, and I love the way they're using the full width of the pitch here.
It comes out off the goalkeeper.
Producing the Paris Saint-Germain starters. Keylor Navas starts in goal. Thomas Meunier plays with Bernat as fullbacks. Marco Verratti starts alongside Idrissa Gueye in central midfield. And up front, Kylian Mbappe plays with Mauro Icardi up front. Inter's lineup is as follows. Samir Handanovic begins in goal. Diego Godin plays with Milan Skriniar in central defence. And the story in attack is one of a strike partnership.
Into it.
Bernat. Cross towards that far post. Punching it clear. And the referee has pointed to the spot. A penalty it is, and a chance for them to forge ahead. He's been admonished by the referee. He's now got to walk something of a tightrope.
Yeah, he knows exactly where he stands. Look at the referee, how he's told him off there. No yellow card, but certainly knows what the referee's thinking.
A goal it is, a confidently taken penalty.
Well, as we see it again, I can tell you his nerves will have been jangling, but he kept his nerve. Really good penalty.
Well, let's go back to the goal that was scored. Neymar. Icardi! And he knows he can do a lot better on the shooting front. Neymar has a go here. And the free kick caught cleanly by the keeper. Cavani. Will he finish? It's still alive. Mbappe! Oh, it's gone in for PSG as they extend their advantage to 2 goals.
Well, here it is again. One phrase springs to mind, tiki-taka. How good is this? The opposition can get nowhere near them. It's a great team goal.
Paredes. Cavani. It should be. Well, he didn't have it quite on the target, Lee.
Oh, it was a great opportunity. Sometimes you've got a choice, power or placement. He should have put his laces through it.
Neymar. Now Meunier. Teamwork might be the key. Oh, surely. The goals keep going in for them. I don't think they're going to throw this away now. Absolutely omnipotent.
Well, here it is, a striker's bread and butter, simple finish, but it's the positioning that gets him the goal.
A chance to revisit the goal.
Allora, vediamo le formazioni del Milan con 4-2-3-1 e con una sola punta Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Ovviamente l'allenatore è Stefano Pioli. Invece per la Juve si tratta di 4-3-1-2, la formazione tipica di Sarri. In attacco c'è Dybala all'indietro di Higuain e Cristiano Ronaldo. Il calcio d'angolo sarà tirato da Çalhanoğlu. Seguiamo con attenzione questo calcio d'angolo. Il cross, c'è Szczesny, via Szczesny. Serie di finte, Dybala. Tocca di prima Dybala per Higuain ed gol! Grandissimo gol! Che gol! Ottima incursione tra Khedira, il pizzico e il tocco di maestosità di Dybala verso Higuain, che centra l'obiettivo e non dà scampo a Donnarumma. E che gol! Grandissimo gol! Bene la Juve. Pjanic verso Higuain, il tiro morbido, ma Donnarumma non c'è problema. Ancora perde palla il Milan, il tiro di Dybala, palo, ma segnalazione di fuorigioco di Dybala sul passaggio buono di filtrante di Higuain. Bonucci copre bene, Hernandez prova il dribbling, il cross, ma c'è verso la palla a Quadrado, 1-2 fra i due giocatori. Che bel passaggio di Khedira, Quadrado il cross, non ce la fa Dybala per un pelo. Si propone Castillero, ancora lui Castillero, il cross, ora Quadrado si propone, Quadrado il cross, colpo di testa di Higuain, parata di Donnarumma. Un'ottima parata di Donnarumma.
No, non te lo posso dare questo. Chiedimi quello che vuoi, ma non te lo posso dare. 40 anni ci hanno messo a farlo così sano, pulito. Leva quella mano lì, che cosa sei tu? Una triglia, un uomo lucerto. Leva, ti stanno lasciando a piedi, ti stanno lasciando a piedi. Ecco, hai perso la corriera. Adesso l'altra chissà quando passa. Ma cosa fai, piano? Vabbè, se mi dici dove hai la bocca te ne do un cucchiaino.
Scommetto che nel tuo piatto c'è la Simmental.
No, c'è la Tieni con i pomodori e le olive. Hai perso la scommessa.
Carne Simmental, con un gusto così unico. Non sbagli mai.
The Borussia Dortmund lineup. In goal, Roman Bürki. Mats Hummel starts, looking to continue his good form at the back. Axel Witsel starts with Emre Can in central midfield. And they're starting, interestingly, with 3 forwards. Barcelona's lineup here. Marc-Andre ter Stegen starts in goal. Clément Lenglet starts with Gerard Piqué in central defence. Arthur starts with Sergio Busquets in central midfield. Luis Suarez is the lone striker today. Arthur! Oh, he's kept it out. Takes the shot off. And that's no trouble at all for Roman Bürki. Messi saw the pass coming and got there first. Shots on here. How did he reach that? Brilliant goalkeeping. Saw the direction of the pass. Keeping the ball well under some pressure. Hasn't held it, the goalkeeper. Now it's Suarez. Well, you need to be strong to do this, and a good touch. Impressive in possession. Pass turned aside there by the keeper. Luis Suarez. Arthur! That's the right kind of football dive to turn the shot away. Rafael Guerreiro. Certainly playing well enough to get their noses in front here. Bit of a desperate lunge that, and he's going to get booked for it, I think. For Barcelona, a yellow card.
Yeah, I don't think you could have any complaints about that.
Sliding in and taking his part in the game into a dangerous territory, really.
So often with these tackles, it's the follow-through, isn't it? You may get the ball, but a scissor motion on the player can be nasty. He's normally good from these set plays, and his teammates are expecting a good ball in.
Keeper did well to reach it, but he couldn't keep it. Take them on here. Didn't want to take Royce. Torgan Hazard. It's a good cross. That was a good crossing position, but not a good cross.
Nazjonali Ġermaniż naru informazzjonijiet. Manchester United jilabu 4-2-3-1, David De Gea bejn il-lasti, Armon Bissaka, Harry Maguire, Victor Lindelof u Luke Shaw, Fred Matic, Mason Greenwood, Bruno Fernandes, David James wara l-attakkant waħdin li huwa Anthony Martial. Bayern Munich jirrispondu b'Manuel Neuer, Pavard, Boateng, Alaba u Alphonse Davies fuq wara, it-tlet midfielders li se jkunu Thiago, Goretzka u Joshua Kimmich, it-tridente ta' quddiem se jkun kompost minn Gnabry, Robert Lewandowski u Thomas Müller. Pavard, Lewandowski, jilqa' tajjeb hawnhekk David De Gea, Fred Fernandes, Martial, jiklira ta' bil-ballon David James, Daniel James, Manchester United fil-vantaġġ wara 12 minuta logħob. Bl-akkwist tagħhom minn ġewwa Wales, Daniel James. Nerġgħu naraw replay tal-gowl li bih il-Manchester United marru fil-vantaġġ. Ballun interċettat tajjeb ħafna u Daniel James Tapin jitfa' ġewwa u jeleb minn ebda problemi lil gowl Ġermaniż Manuel Neuer, Red, Martial, ballu li Murat Neuer, istennew biex naraw il-rab uffiċjali kemm ħajati jgħat iż-żewġ minuti biss. Waqt Bruno Fernandes, cross jilqa' tajjeb hemmhekk Neuer.